So guys, I tried doing mini braids on my hair, just like everybody is saying, do mini braids and let your hair grow. But when I wanted to try it, I forgot that I have fine hair. Now I say I try my luck. You guys, when I did it, my hair was not looking nice at all. The braids were just standing up like this. So I feel like mini braids to grow your hair is not for everybody. So if you're like me that has fine hair, your hair is not that full and it's fine, just go and do mini twists, because that is the best way. And that is what I use to protect my hair. Like my main go-to protective hairstyle is mini twist, because mini braid can never work for me. So do what works for you. Even as I'm talking about it, my fine hair is also different from your own fine hair. So do what works for you. This is not my hair. This is actually a crochet extension. So I'm just talking about my experience with mini braids. So all of those mini braids warrior outside, don't come for me. It's my opinion.